Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Safari cache on iPhone. So to do that, open your settings, then scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Then scroll down and select Safari. Now scroll down and tap clear history and website data. Select the time frame, then confirm by tapping clear history and data. So this removes browsing history, cookies, and cache website files. Now, if you want to clear cache data without deleting your browsing history, so again, go to settings, then go to apps, then open Safari, then in here, look for advanced. So it's at the bottom, select advanced, then select website data at the top. Then in here, tap remove all website data or delete data for individual websites. And that's basically it. So that's how you can clear Safari cache on iPhone. Thank you for watching.